Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. In our last session, we have completed exercise 2.3 and we have started exercise 2.4. From that, we have seen the first question, that is story sums. We have started and we have seen the first story sums. Yes, these story sums we have completed in our last session. Now today we will see the remaining all story sums. So students, you have to open your textbook page number 31 and keep in front of you. Okay, the second story sum is, in a train there are 236 first class seats and 848 second class seats. What is the total number of seats in the train? See, what is the total number of seats? Means here we have to add. Okay, we have to do the addition of these two numbers, 236 and 841. So that we will do now. See, keep the textbook in front of you. In a train, once again read the question. In a train there are 236 first class seats. How many first class seats are there? First class seats is equal to how many? 236 and 848 second class seats. So second class seats is equal to 848. What is the total number of seats in the train? Total number of seats. So we will add these two numbers, then we will get the total number of seats. First class seats 236, second class seats 848. So now we will add. So for that, first what you have to do? You have to draw place value chart. Okay, see here, these are the 3-digit number, but then also if sometime answer may come 4-digit, so we will draw the place value chart in that way only. Here tens and ones. Now we will put these two numbers in the place value chart. The first number is 236. First class seats, how many are there? 236. So we will write 236 plus second class seats. Second class seats 848. There are 848 second class seats are there. Okay, now we will add these two numbers. Now see here, 6 plus 8. Yes, do the addition. 6 plus 8. After 6, count your 8 fingers. Yes, 6 plus 8, 14. So here 14 ones means what? 4 ones. So I will write at ones place 4 and this one will give as a carry to the tens. Why? Because 14 ones means 4 ones 110. Okay, so this one will go as a carry to the tens place. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8. Now see the hundreds place. 2 plus 8 10. So here 0 and here no numbers are there, nothing is there, so directly we can write 0, 1 here. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 1084. So here we will write the answer. There are 1084 total seats in the train. Okay, so what is the answer? There are 1084 total seats in the train. Okay, so in this way we can solve the second number sum. Now we will see the third one. What is the third question? Read the question in your mind. Sayyid has 468 stamps. His sister Amina has 895 stamps. How many stamps do they have in all? Now first of all we will write Sayyid has, how many he has? Sayyid has, yes, 468 stamps. Now his sister Amina has 895 stamps. Now what is the question? The question is how many stamps do they have in all? Now how many stamps do they have in all? Now see here, what we have to do? In all, again we have to do the addition. So first of all we will draw the place value chart. 1000, 100, tens and ones. Leave one line for carry and put these two numbers in the place value chart. The first number is 468. 468. Then Amina has how many stamps she has? She has 895. Now we will add these two numbers. Okay. Now do the addition. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. Yes, 8 plus 5. 13. So we will write 3 here and 1 we will give as a carry. Now 1 plus 6. Yes. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. So here we will write 6 and 1 will give as a carry. Now 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. So here no number is there, so directly we can write here 1. So how many total stamps are there? 1363. So here we will write the final answer in sentence. How many stamps do they have in all? So answer we will write, they have 1363 stamps together or in all. Okay, understood? Okay, now we will see the fourth question. Read the fourth one. There are 5890 books in English and 3875 books in Hindi in a school library. How many books are there all together? Now see, English books. How many English books are there? 5890. So first of all we will write number of English books. Number of English books. How many are there? 5890. Then 3875 books in Hindi. Number of Hindi books. Number of Hindi books. How many are there? Hindi books? Yes, 3875. Now what we have to do? How many books are there all together? Now we will do the addition of these two numbers. Now draw the place value chart. The numbers are 4-digit numbers, so in that way only you have to draw place value chart. 1000, 100, tens, ones. How many English books are there? 5890. Put these numbers in the place value chart. Leave one line for carry. 0 ones. At tens place 9 is there. Hundreds place 8 is there. And thousands place 5 is there. Now see the number of Hindi books. How many Hindi books are there? Hindi books 3875 Hindi books are there. So again we will put that number in the place value chart. 5 ones. At tens place 7 is there, hundreds place again 8 is there, and at thousands place 3 is there. Now give the plus sign. Now we will do the addition. See the ones place. At ones place here 0 is there and here 5 is there. 0 plus 5, 5. Because what is the property? 0 property in addition. If we will add 0 to any number, we will get the answer that number itself. So 0 plus 5, 5. Now we will move to the tens place column. See the tens place. At tens place here 9 is there and here 7 is there. Do the addition 9 plus 7. Keep this 9 in your mind. Take 7 fingers. Count the 7 fingers after 9. 9 plus 7, yes, 16. So here 6 will come and 1 will come as a carry. Now move to the hundreds place column. See here 1 plus 8 plus 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, yes, 17. So here 1 will, I will write 7 here and 1 as a carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place column. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So how many total books are there? What will be the answer? The answer is 9765. So finally we will write the answer in the sentence. How we will write? Total number of books there are 9765 total books. Okay, so in this way, in the shortcut we will write the final answer in the sentence. Now see the next story sum, fifth one. Ramesh bought 2 calculators. See Ramesh, how many calculators he bought? He bought 2 calculators and they cost him rupees 2795 and rupees 1885. How much did he pay in all for the 2 calculators? Ramesh bought total 2 calculators. So what is the cost of first calculator? Cost of first calculator or one calculator. What is the cost? 2795 rupees. This is the symbol of rupee. And cost of second calculator. Is equal to rupees 1885. And the question is, how much did he pay in all for the 2 calculators? Now see, the cost of first calculator is 2795 and the second calculator for rupees 1885. How much did he pay in all? For that, first we will do the addition. So draw the place value chart and put the values in the place value chart. Leave one line for the carry. The first number is 2795 plus cost of second calculator is 1885. Now we will add these 2 numbers. Now see the ones place column. 5 plus 5, do the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. So here 0 will come and here 1 will give as a carry to the next place, that is at tens place. Now see the tens place column. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 80. So here 8 will come and 1 as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place column. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So here 6 will come and 1 as a carry to the next place, that is at thousands place. Now see the thousands place column. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So what will be the answer? 4680. This is the addition. So how we will write the answer? Final answer. How much did he pay in all for the 2 calculators? So rupees 4680 he pay for the 2 calculators. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one, sixth. Meena bought 2 cell phones. Meena bought 2 cell phones. They cost her rupees 5,430 and rupees 3,850. And the question is, how much did she pay in all? Meena bought 2 cell phones. They cost her rupees 5,430. So what will be the cost of first cell phone? The cost of first cell phone is rupees, yes, 5,430 and cost of second cell phone is rupees 3,850. And the question is, how much did she pay in all? We will do the addition now, because in all, whenever total, in all, these words will come, that time we have to do the addition. So draw the place value chart. Cost of first cell phone, she bought total 2 cell phones and the cost of first cell phone is 5,430. So this number we will write in the place value chart, 5,430. What is the cost of second cell phone? 3,850. Now do the addition. Do the addition. It is a simple addition. I will give 1 second. Do the addition and tell me the answer. Okay. What is the answer? 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 5, 8. Now see the hundreds place. 4 plus 8. After 4 count your 8 fingers. 4 plus 8, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer? The answer is 9,280. So how we will write the answer? How much did she pay in all? So she pay in all rupees 9,280 in all. Now see the next one, 7th example. Read the 7th example. Ramu owned 2 coconut farms. From one farm he got 3,872 coconuts and from the other he got 4,948 coconuts. How many coconuts did he get in all? From one farm, he got how much? From one farm he got 3,872 coconuts. Coconuts. And from the other farm he got 4,948. From second farm he got 4,948 coconuts. And what is the question? The question is, how many coconuts did he get in all? Draw the place value chart. Again, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. From one farm he got these many coconuts, 3872, and from second farm he got 4948 coconuts. If we will add these two numbers, then we will get the total number of coconuts. Okay, so we will write the first number in the place value chart, that is 3872, and the second number is 4948. Add these two numbers. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Here 1 will give as a carry. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 here and 1 will give as a carry to the next place, that is at hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So here 8 and 1 will give as a carry. Now see the thousands place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So total number of coconuts, how many he got? 8820. So we will write Ramu got total Ramu got 8820 coconuts. Okay. Now see the eighth one. Read the question. Mr. Paul's salary is rupees 5550 per month and Mrs. Paul's salary is 4260 per month. How much do they have earned together? Now see, Mrs. Paul's salary is is equal to rupees 5550 per month and Mr. Paul's salary is rupees 4260 per month. How much do they earn together? See, Mrs. Paul's salary is rupees 5550 per month and Mr. Paul's salary is rupees 4260 per month, and the question is how much they earn together. Together how much they earn, means here again we have to do the addition. So draw the place value chart and put these two numbers in the place value chart. Leave one line for carry. The first number is 5550 plus the second number is 4260. Now see the ones place column. 0 plus 0, 0. Now see the tens place column. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 11. So we will write here 1 and we will give 1 carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See the thousands place. 5 plus 4, 9. So how much they earn together? Yes, they earn together. They earn together rupees 9810 per month. Yes, how much they earn together? They earn together rupees 9810. Okay. Next, see ninth example you have to solve by your own. I will take the last one, that is 10th one. Read the 10th question in your mind. What is the question? Last is, in a school there are 1640 students in the primary section. In the primary section, how many students are there? Number of students in primary section. How many are there? Is equal to. In the primary section, there are 1640 students. Okay. So, number of students in the primary section is equal to 1640. 1001 students in the middle section. So, number of students in the middle section are 1001 and 384 students in the secondary section. Number of students in the secondary section is equal to 848. Now what is the question? The question, 384. What is the question? How many total students are there in the school? Okay. How many students study in the school? So what we have to do here? We have to add these three numbers. In the primary section, there are 1640 students. In the middle section, there are 1001 students. And in the secondary section, there are 348 students. So when we will add these three numbers together, we will get the total number of students study in the school. So we will do the addition. So draw the place value chart. Leave one line for carry. Number of students in primary section, how many are there? 1640. Now number of students in the middle section, 1001. How many students are there in the secondary section? There are only 348. This is a 3-digit number, 348. Now add these three numbers together. Then we will get total number of students study in the school. We will see the first ones column. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Now see the tens place column. 4 plus 4, 8. Why? Because 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now here also 6 plus 0, 6. And 6 plus 3, 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. Very easy it is. So what will be the answer? Total number of students. Yes, what answer we got here? 2989. So how we will write the answer? How many students study in the school? There are 2989 students study in the school. So in this way we can write the answer in the sentence. So students, today we have completed all the story sums in exercise 2.4. In the next session we will see the remaining part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.